You ready for Nature Day, Zilla?
Let's go, Kong!
Let's go. Oof.
Looks like a beautiful day out.
Sure is. Look at them trees.
Love the sound of gravel under our feet.
Mm-hmm. Well, shall we dip our toes in?
Of course.
Sure feels nice.
Ooh, it's cold. This is a hill.
Mm-hmm.
Do you think we could go up that?
No. Hey, Zilla, you think there's skull crawlers hiding around out here?
No, we're gonna be just fine.
Do you hear that?
Stop worrying, Kong.
Zilla, I heard that bush move. I know it.
Uh-oh.
Abort mission! Abort mission!
Wait, is that Michelle?
You boys enjoying your nature day?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Come on, Kong, catch me if you can.
I don't think I can hang on for too much longer.
Okay then, bombs away.
No, wait! I can't believe you pushed me.
Oh, lighten up, Kong.
I am late.
One last big hill to go down.
Real steep. That's real steep. Too steep! Ow! But check out this really cool stick I found on my way down.
Yeah, but mine's bigger and cooler. Woohoo, it's heavy.
Time to call it a day, Zilla.
My claws are roaring.
Mm-hmm.